Hello everyone, welcome to Oracle SQL interview question series. Today we are going to see on scenario based question. Okay, this question it is asked in most of the interview time. They will ask like this is the table, okay, table 1 and table 2, and here will give the set of values they are given. Okay, now if I made join these two table, what will be the result for that? EQ join, non-EQ join, right join, left join and full join. So today we are going to see on this everything. Please watch this session till end so you can get the clear idea on that. Okay, for that I have created the table and I inserted the values also in Oracle SQL Developer. So this is my statement for the creating the table and inserting the values. Okay, and I committed the two tables, table T1 and table T2, and I have given that in description this statement at all. Please see this the statement and try to practice it. Okay, now first we can get the data from the T1. Now see here, this is my table 1 data as well as this is my table 2 data. Okay, now start to write for that inner join statement. Select T1 dot number. T1 it is nothing but table name and number it is column, that is we are calling the column with help of the T1 because for the both the table the column it is presented number only, that is NO it is presented. So it will get confused from the which table I need to get the columns. That's the reason I make the T1 dot number and T2 dot number, that is calling the column with help of the table. From table T1 inner join, okay, just have used a join, and table T2. Whenever you are using join, that time you should use it on keyword to write the condition T1 dot number equal to T2 dot number. Now select the statement and execute it. Now see here we got the result for the inner join. Okay, now we'll see that how it is working. First we'll explain about the inner join statement. In this, first see here the table T1, okay, the table T2. This is my left table. Consider this is my right table. Okay, this is my right table. Okay, now just make that inner join. We know that what is inner join means, match row it will take and give the result set. Now see in that first row it is matching with the second table of the rows. When we see here first row it is matching 1 from the table first row. So then we'll see that null it is not matching, then 1 it is presented, it is matching here. Okay, now this first row it is completed. Now move on to the second row. Second row it is 1. Okay, now match to the second table. 1 it is matched here, remaining 1 here. Okay, remaining 2, 3 and all it is not matched, so it is not considering. Okay, then after that take our third row. First row of second table, okay, T2 table, 1 it is presented, 1 it is not matching, null it is presented, null also not matching, 1 presented in the third row it is not matching, but this third row of first table it is matched with the fourth row of the second table. Okay, next it is 3 is not matched, is not taking the record. Now go to the fourth row. Fourth row it is 2 it is presented. Now see here first row, second row, third row, 2 it is not presented, that is not matched, so it is matching with this 2 only. And we have taken fourth row. Now move on to the fifth row. Okay, this one it is matched with the first row of the second table and third row of second table. Okay, now write that output for that. What its output means, see here we got it from the first row, we got 1 1 1 1. When we see the second row, we got that 1 1 it is matching. write 1 and 1. When we are trying to match to the third row, we get that only 2, that is only one row it is matched. Take the second. And fourth row it is 2 it is presented, is matched with that second table, that is T2 table with only one row, that is 2. Take the 2 here. Now fifth row 1, it is matched with the 2 rows in the second table. Like that the inner join it is worked. Okay, now see here we get the result. 1 it is presented how many times means calculate it 2 times. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6 times it is presented, and 2 it is presented 2 times it is presented. Now see here the 1 it is presented 4 times it is presented, then 2 it is presented 2 times, then 1 it is presented 2 times it is presented. Okay, like that the inner join it is working. Next, seeing on that non-equi join statement. So for that just make the copy the statement and change in the statement. So instead of using that equal symbol, we should use that not equal symbol. Okay, now select the statement and run it. Now this is our output for that non-equi join. Now we'll see how it is working in practical explanation. Now see here have taken the table T1 and table T2. Okay, we know that what is non-equi join. Non-equi join means it will get that unmatched record only, it will take it. Okay, now see this is my left table, this is my right table. Okay, now 1 it is matching with the 1, so it won't take it. We see that 1 compared to 2, it is not matched, so it will take the second from the here. Okay, next it will take that this one, third it will take. Okay, now first row it is finished. Move on to the second row here. In the second row, see here second table of the first row, 1 it is presented, it is matched, so it won't take because it is non-equi join. Next it is 1 it is presented, it won't take, then it will take that 2 and 3 it will take. Okay, second row finished. Now take the third row. In the third row 1 it is not equal to 2. Okay, so it will take because this one it is non-equi join. Okay, now this one also it will take, and 3 also it will take, but 2 it won't take it. Okay, now third row it is finished. Take your fourth row. In this fourth row, okay, 1 it will take because this is non-equi join. This one also it will take, and 3 also it will take. Okay, fourth row it is finished. Now fifth row. Now see here 2 it will take and 3 it will take. Now write that output from the first row. What we are getting? 2 and 3. 2, 3. From the second row, when we are comparing in non-equi join, we are getting 2, 3. 2, 3. Okay, so we started the third row to unmatched with the second table. So we got the result 1, 1, 3. Write it here. 1, 1, 3. Okay, now fourth row we are compared, that is fourth row of the first table compared to that second table. Okay, for the each rows we got the result, it is 1, 1, 3. Okay, then fifth row we are comparing. The first table of fifth row we are comparing with the second table. we got the result set, it is 2, 3. Next, we can write the left join statement. Okay, see here, just use left the keyword. Okay, now we can get the result set for the left join statement. Now we can see that explain part. We know that the left join, okay, left join means it is matching record from the both the tables, and remaining record from the left side table it will come. Okay, that is matching record from the both the table plus it get the left side table, remaining the record from the left side table it will take the output. Okay, now first take the first row. Okay, first row it is matched with the second table, 2 rows it is matching. Okay, then second row you take. Okay, in the second row also from the second table 2 rows it is matching. Now take the third row. Third row it is presented 2, here one time it is matched, 2 it is one time matched in the second table. Okay, then take the your fourth row. This fourth row it is matched only one time. Then fifth row it is 1, it is matched 2 times. Okay, now see that what is that output. Now write the matched records 1, here 1. Okay, then second row you matched with the 2 rows in the second table, take that 1 1. Okay, next it is third row. Third row it is 2, it is matched with the only 1 row in the second table, take the 2 from here. Then fourth row. Fourth row it is matched that only one time it is matched in the second row, take the 2. Then fifth row. Fifth row it is from the table 1 and 1 it is presented. Okay, here 2 rows it is matched 1. Just take that 1 1. Okay, now just verified with that Oracle SQL developer, you can get that same result only what you have get in that in the explain. Both are same only, 6 ones and 2 it is presented 2 times it is presented. Okay, next we see on that right join. Okay, now instead of using the left keyword we can use it here right. Okay, select the statement and run it. This is our output for that right join. One more way also we can write with help of the pair conditions for left and right. Okay, for that, now whenever you are using that the right join, left join keyword and all, no, instead of using that one you should use a comma, and whenever you are using that comma you want to use it where. Okay, where t1 dot number, here you want to use a plus. Okay, plus 1 you want to use it. If it is left join means this plus icon, okay, bracket you want to use in that end of the statement, before the semicolon you want to use it. Now select the statement and run it. Now see here what we got the before that output. Okay, just this is my output for the before the statement. Now for this statement also we got the same output only, we got it. Okay, see here, this two way we can write the result set for the right join with help of that on keyword conditions and with help of that where keyword. Okay, this is one, it is a universal syntax we can write for that. Other databases also we can use it, but this one, this right join on keyword and all we can use in that Oracle SQL only we can use it. Now we'll see that explain part. We know that what is the right join means. Right join means it will first take that matching record from the both the table plus all the record, that is remaining record from the right side of the table it will take. Okay, now what is our left side table? This is my left side table and this is my right side table. Okay, this is my right side table. Okay, Now see here, from the left side I have taken the comparison, okay, to the right side table. One, it is matching two rows in here. From the second row, two rows it is matching, remaining and all it is not matched. That is 2 and 3 and all it is not matched. Okay. Now we can take the third row in the left side table. Third row it is second. Second it is matched. Fourth row in the right side table it is matched. So we can get the 2. We can get the result. Only one row it is present. And we can go for now fourth row. Fourth row in the left side table. 2. See here, this 2, it is presented only one time in the right side table. Okay. At last, it is fifth row. Fifth row, it is 1. Okay. Check here, the matched records, 1 it is presented, 2 time it is presented. So, 2 ones we can get that output. At last, 3 and null it is there. Okay. We know that what is our right join means. That is, it is getting the matched record from the both the table and get that unmatched record that from the right side table. That is remaining the what are the data present in the right side. It will take the output. Okay, matched record and get the remaining from that right side. Now see here in the first row we can get 1 1 and second row we can get 1 and 1. From the third row 2 it is present one time only, so 2 it will come. And from the fourth row we can get that only one time it is 2 it is presented, take that 2. Okay, from the fifth row 1 it is presented 2 times, that is matched record. 1 it is presented 2 times, take that 1 and 1. At last take the 3 and null. Okay, null and 3, because it will consider the remaining from the right side table. That's the reason we get that output like that. Okay, just cross verification with the Oracle SQL developer, the same result only we can get it in that for the right join. Okay, when we are executed the time. So today we discussed on that scenario based question. Okay, based on the two table we want to make the right join, left join, inner join and non-equi join. Okay, so in if possible try to do the practice on cross join and full join, otherwise we'll upload that in upcoming sessions for that cross join and full join output. Thank you for watching. If this session it is really helpful for you, please subscribe it, comment it and share it, like it.